Okay, good morning, class.
Morning.
Okay. Today we learn a few simple things about English. Is it about past simple and past continuous? Do you guys know what is past simple and past continuous?
No, sir.
Okay. We will skim to a bit in this session. As you guys can see, Sleeping Beauty, past simple and past continuous. Sleeping Beauty is just reference for the activity. Past simple and past continuous is the main topic we are learning today. So, okay. Okay. Past simple show that an action was in the past. In the past, not in the present. Regular past simple verbs have ed at the end. Okay. Past simple, to make it easy to understand, past simple is just statement you do that happened in the past. Like you add the word ed, was, where, is. But not all words you can use ed. There are some words like wake, the past tense is woke. Break, broke. Feel, felt. That's about the past simple. This is some example of the past simple. My parents called me yesterday. This is past simple. Because you can see, parents call, ed verb. Ed verb there, and yesterday. It happened at the past. This is another example. I woke up early this morning. Yeah, it's happened on the same day, but it referred to the morning he was wake up. So it's already past. That's the statement. Okay. For the third one, past simple not only limited to the sentence that we agree. Past simple also can be a negative one, means we reject the sentence. My parents didn't call me yesterday. This is the negative of the one, because this is the parents call. This is actually the parents didn't call. So negative sentence. It's reject, no. For the example 4, past simple also can be doing in question. Like you question someone, did you wake up early this morning? It's like the mother asking her son if he wake up early. So it's happened in the past because in the morning. That is for the past simple. You guys have a question about the past simple?
Number 3.
Number 3. What specifically?
The number 3 doesn't have ed.
Oh, because number 3, because it didn't have ed, because it didn't choose didn't.
Didn't.
Yeah, didn't is the past tense.
Oh.
Because if you use the present tense, like do, the past tense of do is didn't. So even if you didn't add ed, the didn't show the sentence is in the past. Didn't. Yeah, okay. Same also for the number 4, did. Did is the past tense. So this is referring as the past simple. Any other question? Okay, no. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. Okay, past continuous. Past continuous shows the action that was already in the past, but currently in the progress. Do you guys know the past continuous?
No.
Okay, we picture in the situation in the movie. Like the history. Like we pictured the 2 soldiers clashing the sword. The war itself in the past, right? But in that picture, it's happening right now. So, the past continuous, how you tell it, you still using ing, even though the sentence is the past, and the past. Like for the example, okay, we were cleaning the house all morning. This is the past continuous because we were is the past tense of the are in the present tense. We're using were. Cleaning, see, we still using ing to indicate that the action didn't done or it unfinished. So we're using cleaning, ing spell. Okay, number 2, she couldn't come to the party. This is the past tense. She was working. There, so was working yesterday. It's in the past but still the action is still undergoing process. Number 3, I tried to give him some advice, but he wasn't listening. Same. At that time, the sister giving advice, but he didn't want to listen. It's still right, he didn't listen. What were you doing this time last year? Were, past tense of the are. Doing. That is how you tell it's using past continuous. Okay, for the last one. Past simple and past continuous can exist in the same sentence. Like number 1, I broke my leg when I was skiing. See, this is I broke my leg. This is the past simple. The statement when I was skiing, was and skiing. That's the how past simple and past continuous exist together. Starting with the past simple, then past continuous. The causes and how did it happen. Okay, simple exercise. You see the two sentence. When the guests arrived, Jane was cooking dinner. The second sentence, when the guests arrived, Jane cooked dinner. What is the difference?
Cooked.
Oh yeah, the difference is cooked. Can you tell me what about what the cooked represent?
Yesterday.
No, it actually not yesterday. How about this thing is happen right now at the past. Okay, I tell you. When the guests arrived, Jane was cooking dinner. And the second sentence, Jane cooked dinner only. So in this sentence, when the guests come, the dinner was already finished. Jane was cooking. Meanwhile, at the past before the guests arrived, she started the cooking. Meanwhile, for the second sentence, when the guests arrive, she start cooking. That is the difference. Because of the word was, it referred to the past, she doing it at the past. Okay, that's all for the explanation. Oh my God. Okay, we just gonna watch Sleeping Beauty at a certain scene. Wait a minute, guys. How to skip?
YouTube Premium.
Ito. Tidak mampu. Can't afford. Oh,
It's skippable.
alright. Yeah, it's skippable.
Sleeping Beauty.
No. We're not gonna watch all of it.
Sleeping Beauty.
Where's the
It's so
voice?
fairy.
Over. Where's the Aba no need voice. Okay. I let you guys watch it.
What happened?
They fall asleep.
Statues? They become statues?
This is the scene when the prince already fight the witch. He returned to the castle that prisoned the Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, her name. Where is she?
Oh my god.
What happened?
I don't know. How did that happen?
What is...
Oh, the people just awakened. What is happening?
People awaken.
Okay, that is the short video about the Sleeping Beauty because we're focusing on the specific scene only. Okay. Coba di zoom eh.
Cancel ka na.
Oh.
Di atas. Bukan delete.
Oh no.
Ito na sana.
Oh, okay. Okay, the scene referring to this one. The castle that is broken by the cursed witch. You can see the thorn, the grass, fulfill it. And we can see in the video, the prince cut the leaf and thorn to get through the castle, to enter the castle, to rescue the Sleeping Beauty. Okay.
That guy looks like me.
Yes. Yes, we believe in you. Okay. For the exercise, I want you guys to focus on this one and try to using past simple or past continuous. And you guys are still in this person point of view in the story. Meanwhile, you guys in this story, you act like them, but you only speak. You only tell what are their feeling, what are their experience. It's just simple. This is the photo, but the soldier is cooking, and the chef is cooking, the soldier is cooking.
Hafiz is cooking.
Try is making a sentence.
Number 2 picture.
Yeah.
The princess is sleeping.
The princess is sleeping. But that is the correct sentence if you refer to the present tense. But since the story of the Sleeping Beauty happened in the past, so the actual sentence is the princess was sleeping.
Was sleeping.
Yes,
Oh.
it's referred to the single person, the princess, and she's sleeping. Okay. How about this one?
Oh, ada lagi.
Tak nampak ah.
Saya tak faham.
This is the picture. The night, the guard sleeping.
Awak buta ke?
Okay, just make the sentence. The night sleep.
The night was asleep.
The night was asleep. That's also a correct sentence if you refer to the past, but it's not represent the past simple or past continuous. Is the past sentence in general. So the correct way to say in the past simple is the night was sleeping. It's the same like this one was sleeping. You make a statement about the past simple. Okay, that's all for the activities. What did you guys learn about the past simple and the past continuous through Sleeping Beauty?
Continuous has a simple past while using ing.
Oh, okay, that's correct. Good job. How about Adi?
Pas simple use ed.
Oh, okay, that's correct. That's correct. Alright, you guys did a good job in the determine. Yay! Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right, class dismissed.
Good answer. Fuck.